Candy apples are a fun and delicious treat. If you want to make them extra special, you will want to know how to make edible glitter for candy apples. This will take your candy apples up a notch and make them extra fun. Edible glitter is safe to eat but gives the food a sparkly appearance similar to real glitter. Not only is it great for candy apples, but also cakes, cookies, candy, and other baked goods. It is a simple and fun way to make your desserts extra special. What you will need. For the edible glitter: ½ cup granulated sugar, 2 to 10 drops of food coloring. For the candy apples: 6 apples, 1 cup water, 3 cups white sugar, ½ cup light corn syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 teaspoons orange gel food color, 2 teaspoons purple gel food color. Prepared edible glitter: 1 to 2 tablespoons baking soda or apple cider vinegar. Step-by-step instructions: edible glitter. Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the oven stay heated for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Step 2. In a clean jar, add the granulated sugar and 1 drop of your choice of food coloring at a time. Thoroughly shake the jar to ensure the food coloring coats the sugar. Repeat the process as needed until the mix reaches your desired color. Step 3. Spread the sugar across the baking sheet and bake for 10 minutes. Allow the colored sugar to thoroughly cool for an hour and break up any large pieces. Store the edible glitter in an airtight container. Step-by-step instructions on how to make candy apples with glitter. Step 1. Bring a large pot of water to a boil and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of baking soda or apple cider vinegar. Place 3 to 4 apples in the pot at a time. Leave the apples in the water for 30 seconds to 1 minute, turning with a spoon to fully cover. Then, remove the apples from the water and fully dry them with paper towels. Place the apples on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Step 2. Bring the water to a low simmer in a medium saucepan. Add the white sugar and corn syrup. Stir together until the mix is fully combined. Step 3. Add the vanilla and food coloring to the sugar mixture. Repeat the process with your other food coloring. Step 4. Add the lollipop sticks to the apples. Dip the apples in the candy coating and allow them to dry on a baking tray with parchment paper. Step 5. Cover the candy apples in a layer of corn syrup. Then, dip the candy apples in the edible glitter. Tips and tricks. By cleaning the apples in a pot of boiling water mixed with baking soda or apple cider vinegar, you will remove the wax coating. This will allow the candy coating to go smoothly onto the apple and reduce the chance of bubbles forming. The best type of apple to use for candy apples is Granny Smith. The tartness of Granny Smith goes well with the sweet candy covering. However, you can also use Fuji, Gala, Honey Crisp, and Pink Lady apples as well. Candy apples can be kept at room temperature in an airtight container for up to 3 days. Store them somewhere that is cool and out of the way of direct sunlight. Don't keep the candy apples in the fridge, as it can cause the candy coating to become sticky and messy. You can easily make multiple batches of edible glitter in different colors. You can even mix different colors of the edible glitter after is done for a two-tone effect. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.